Awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Really well structured in the back. Oh, you got AC running on it? Keep it cool. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Okay. Oh, wow. What's up, man? You got some serious stuff going on your door. Base destroying it, isn't it?
Yeah, I had the avatars in here before.
Wow.
Same truck.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Same truck, painted it. Put a beat pillar.
Wow, you've done some work to the floor, too.
Yeah.
Everything. Sorry, I noticed everything. I tried to. What's your name real quick and equipment?
Jose, got 4 XD4, Crossfire XD4s, 230Ks.
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 Wow. What are they wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. Wow.
Yeah. It's still breaking in, they're like 4 days old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Trying to get them going.
Are you happy with it?
I'm happy with it
Happy
so
with
far,
it?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy with it.
Do you know your peak frequency? Has it changed? How you still learning? Oh, yeah. I know. I got it. All right. I'd love to hear it.
All right. Play something low.
Yeah, let's do it. Sure. How low do you play down to, you feel like?
18.
18? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Jeez, dude. Is this a 4-footer?
Six.
A 6? Okay. Oh, the back. Dude, that's insane, man.
I've been messing with it.
You like the lows, I can tell. I appreciate it. Hey, your beard was flexing. Even with the window up, that's crazy, man. You got pressure for that. I appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Jose.
Jose, thank you, man. One more fist bump. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank
Yep. Whew. That Lowe's is gonna break the door. Hey, that was awesome.
Thank you.
Hey, have a good day.
Take it easy.
That was. Hey, can I see the amp in the back? Is it open? I don't know if it's open. I would like to see the back. I appreciate it. Awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Really well structured in the back. Oh, you got AC running on it? Keep it cool. Nice. How much lithium?
160 amp.
160?
Protobanks.
Okay. And the sub's still breaking in?
Yeah.
Awesome. You have a good day. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
Really nice. Yeah. Whew. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.